In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add schema markup in WordPress. This process will enhance your website's SEO and improve how search engines understand your content. Let's get started by installing and activating Rank Math. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Here you'll want to search for Rank Math in the plugin repository. Once you find it, click Install and then activate the plugin. Installing Rank Math is crucial because it allows you to easily manage SEO settings and schema markup within your site. With Rank Math installed, the next step is to edit a page or post where you want to add schema. Go to your Posts or Pages section in the WordPress dashboard. Click on the title of the post or page you wish to edit. This will open the editor, where you can make changes to your content. Editing your content here is important because it ensures that the schema markup is applied to the right part of your website. Now, once you're in the editor, open the Rank Math panel. You'll find this on the right-hand side of your screen as a tab or button. Clicking on it will reveal a set of options and tools that Rank Math provides. This panel is your gateway to advanced SEO settings, including schema markup. Accessing the Rank Math panel is key because it centralizes all the tools you need for effective SEO management. From there, go to the Schema section within the Rank Math panel. This section is specifically designed for managing schema markup. Here, you'll be able to view existing schema types or add new ones depending on your requirements. This is where the magic happens, as schema markup plays a significant role in how search engines and users perceive your content. Next up, click on the Schema Generator. This tool allows you to create a new schema type for your content. It's an intuitive and user-friendly feature of Rank Math that simplifies the otherwise complex task of schema creation. Using the schema generator is beneficial because it automates much of the process, reducing potential errors and saving time. After clicking the schema generator, you'll need to choose a type of schema that suits your content. Rank Math offers various options like article, product, event, and more. Select the type that best fits the information you want to convey. Choosing the right schema type is crucial because it directly affects the accuracy of how search engines read your content. Once you've chosen a schema type, it's time to fill in the fields provided. Each schema type will have different fields, so be sure to fill them out accurately with the relevant information. After you've entered all the necessary details, save your changes. Filling in these fields correctly ensures that your schema is complete and effective, enhancing how your content appears in search results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added schema markup to your WordPress site using Rank Math. This will help improve your SEO and make your content more attractive to search engines and users alike. Thank you for watching and happy optimizing.